Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to try the Epic PvP pack made by Xure Fire V19. So let's go. So look, this is the main menu. It has Epic PvP on it, and yeah. And look, new text. So let's give Bed Wars a try. So it's my first time trying a textures pack, and yeah, I'm going to experience it. Bro, why is it taking so long?
2,000 years later.
Finally. So yeah, look. Yo, look. So I played this texture pack like a few minutes ago. So I noticed that my cape switches color, and yeah, look, it's so good. Oh my god, just look at that. So yeah, now let's stop yapping, and now let's go to high Bedwars solo. So yeah, look, boosters. The emerald looks like an egg, but it's black. Bruh. Oh my god. So okay, here. So yeah, there's nothing special, but look at the armor. The armor, these two diamond and iron, and yeah, this, yeah, looks different now. And the golden apple has a smiley face now. This pack is cool. So let me rush, bro. Let me rush. Oh my god! Don't you dare go to my base. So yeah, this is the all the texture packs and stuff. So yeah, look at the sword now. Oh my god. Bro, I almost died there. Yeah, did you hear that, bro? Rewind that. Did you guys hear that? That sounded cool. Oh my god, I freaking died. But yeah, there's a new sound effect. That's really nice. So yeah, so that's it for the textures pack. And if you wanna look at me play, you can watch the whole entire video, okay? So yeah. So my guy, what is he doing right there? So I'm just gonna. Oh my god, someone's rushing him. Let me buy blocks. Bro, why did I buy 2 stacks of oak planks? So come right here, boy. Come right here. Come here. Don't you dare escape me. Don't you dare escape me. Oh my god, someone's full iron. So yeah, that's, oh my, nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, bro, I block trap him. Oh my god. Yeah, look, this is the full. Oh my god, I'm getting bullied. Bro, my bet's destroyed. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. That was a really close call. Oh my god. Nah, bro. Bro, what was his level? I almost died to that. Bro, that was so like I thought I was dead that by that. So yeah. Lock in. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate this guy. Oh my god. And guys, if you like that, make sure to like and subscribe and goodbye.